Why is forward contamination a risk in space missions? Have you ever thought about what happens when we send spacecraft to other planets? One major concern is forward contamination, which is when Earth-originating microorganisms and other contaminants hitch a ride to celestial bodies. This can create big problems for scientists and the environments they are studying. When we send missions to planets or moons, we want to learn about them without interference from our own planet. If Earth microbes contaminate these places, it becomes hard to tell if any life found there is native or just our own organisms that accidentally made the trip. This can lead to false detections of life or obscure real discoveries. Space agencies take this risk very seriously. They have strict planetary protection protocols in place to prevent forward contamination. Spacecraft are built and sterilized in cleanroom environments. These are special areas designed to keep out any unwanted microbes. Workers wear protective clothing to minimize the chance of transferring any contaminants during assembly. Different missions have different levels of risk, which determines how much protection is needed. For example, missions to Mars, where there is potential for life, requiring more stringent sterilization than missions to the Moon, which is less sensitive. Crewed missions present additional challenges because astronauts carry a variety of microorganisms naturally, increasing the risk of contamination compared to robotic missions. Forward contamination can happen in several ways. If spacecraft surfaces are not properly sterilized, or if contamination occurs during launch or transit, the risk increases. Human error during assembly and handling can also contribute to the problem. To address these issues, space agencies follow international guidelines from the Committee on Space Research, which set policies to protect both scientific research and the environments of other worlds. Forward contamination is a real risk that can threaten the goals of space missions. It complicates the search for extraterrestrial life and can harm pristine environments. Astronaut training and spacecraft preparation focus heavily on preventing contamination to uphold planetary protection standards. This ensures that we can responsibly explore the universe while preserving the integrity of other worlds.